look at this example saying the bearing of A from B is 0.61. Find the bearing of B from A. All right, so what we are going to do is quickly we have been told a bearing of from, okay, let me just do this. Let me say my point here and I have another point right here. Okay, so this is where my B will be and that's where my A is. Okay, then I create a true north. And even there, so this will be my north and that will be the north for the other. So I can connect these like this. So they're saying that the bearing of A from B, okay, it is, so we have been told that this is 61 degrees. Okay, so we can express as into dB up, but as an answer we express as 0.61, so we can just simplify 61 degrees. So now they want us to find the bearing of B from A. B from A. So we start the true north of A. E inari from B, then one that we started from the north of B. From A, we are starting from the north of A. So we move all the way to that. Okay, so something interesting that you need to also know. This line has formed a transversal, okay? It has formed a transversal line because if we were to use a protractor, a 90 degrees, okay, is kind of muri 90 ka 60 kali mwaso, okay? So we have something like this, right? So we said this is where our 61 degrees is. Okay, so this angle right here is equal to that because we have now a transversal line here. So this angle is 61, so is that. Same implies with this. If this angle is 61, so is this angle right here. So we now know that hii angle kutoka hapa kufika hapa ni 61. Yonse imanje zankazi ngati. So say 180 straight line. Remember that. Straight line adds up to 180. So we have 180 plus that 61. Our final answer, that will be the answer. 0 plus 1 is 1. 8 plus 6, we have 14. So 4 remainder 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 2. So the bearing of B from A will be 241 degrees. It's 241 degrees. That's how we get to answer such. If that is so confusing, after you identify this line, okay, after you identify this line, what you're supposed to do next is you simply say in a straight line. So 180 minus 61. Then whatever you're going to find for that, you subtract from 360. Then you still find the 241. Mule kutika. Good.